Ain't nothing better on Valentine's Day than some new rubbers. Check it out. It's the Michelin Pilot Super Sports. New design in the tire. It's a little deceiving because the tire does not look very aggressive. It's not a very aggressive looking tire, but according to Michelin and all the test results, this tire is supposed to be freaking badass. Freaking all the ratings in dry, wet, hydroplaning, cornering, and ride comfort is all in the 9s out of 10. And that's better ratings than the Dunlop Dereza Star Specs that I was running. The Dunlops was pretty good, but they wear pretty damn fast. But it was pretty good in the dry and pretty good in the wet. But they weren't that comfortable. They made a lot of noise and they wear out pretty fast. This tire is supposed to be the answer to everything. So we're gonna see about that. And they spent a lot of freaking money in advertising for this tire. So we'll see if the tire lives up to what it's supposed to be. But like I said, it doesn't look very aggressive. But I guess everything in this tire is in the design, the way they got everything designed and built into the tire. But ain't nothing like a true road test. And let you know what I think when I get it installed tomorrow.